Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make syrup coconut cake. It's very easy to prepare and it's so delicious, so let's get started. Now let's prepare our sugar syrup. In a small pot I will add my water, my sugar, and some spices to make my syrup more tasty. Put it for 5 minutes onto the stove without mixing it until the sugar is fully dissolved and our syrup is done. Then I'm going to set it to the side until we prepare our cake to cool down completely. Firstly, in a big mixing bowl, you're going to add your eggs and sugar. You're going to mix this for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are nice and fluffy. Our eggs and sugar mixture has doubled in size, and now I'm going to add in my brandy, my milk, my oil. I'm going to continue mixing until everything is well combined. Now I'm going to add in my baking powder, my coconut, semolina, and all-purpose flour. I'm going to mix this until all of the ingredients are well incorporated. I have here a 30 by 15 centimeters cake tin where I will spray using some non-stick cooking spray. And now I'm going to pour my batter in. Now our cake is ready to go into the oven, and you're going to bake this for 35 to 40 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius until a skewer inserted into the middle comes out clean. Our cake just came out of the oven, and in order to pour the syrup over the cake, your syrup needs to be completely cooled down. So I'm going to pour the syrup on top of my cake. I'm going to poke some holes using a fork so my cake will absorb the syrup more easy. Leave the cake to absorb the syrup for about 1 hour before cutting it, and then decorate it with some shredded coconut on top. You can find all of the tools in the description box below. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.